All of you are welcome to the mathematics online classes. Today we are going to start a new topic as we have finished arithmetic progression in the last week. So our new topic is chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. We all know the meaning of a equation. A equation is a combination of terms consisting of constant as well as variable having two sides, that is called LHS and RHS, with a sign of equality, as well as we can say if it is unequal then it is called linear inequalities also. Now a equation having the general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 where x and y are the variables is called a linear equation in two variables, since it has two variable x and y. So any equation having the general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 where a, b and c are the real numbers and x and y are the variable is called a linear equation in two variables. Now for any linear equation, each solution x comma y, that is the coordinate of a point, corresponds on the line. The graph of a linear equation is always a straight line. Now when we have the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, it is only one linear equation in two variables. Now two linear equation in the same two variables are called pair of linear equation in two variables or simultaneous linear equation in two variables. Like we have written a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, which is the upgraded form of the linear equation in two variable. It has two equations, so it is called pair of linear equations in two variables. The condition is a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 all are real numbers such that the sum of the square of a1 and b1 is not equal to 0 and the sum of the square of a2 and b2 should not equal to 0. Now a pair of values of variable x and y which satisfy both the equation in the given system of equations is said to be the solution of the simultaneous pair of linear equation. That is, that set of value of x and y which satisfy both the equation condition is said to be the solution. Now a pair of linear equation in two variable can be represented as well as solved by two methods. The first is graphical method, which we all know in 9th standard also, and the second one is algebraic method. Now in graphical method, the graph of a pair of linear equation in two variable is represented by set of two lines. If we get the line intersecting at a particular point, they are called intersecting lines. If the line are forming parallel, they are called parallel lines. If they overlap each other, they are called coincident lines. So the graphical method which will represent three set of lines intersecting when they intersect each other. If they do not intersect, they will intersect at infinity, that is they form parallel lines, and if they overlap each other they will form coincident lines. Now in algebraic method, there are four different methods to solve the problem of pair of linear equation algebraically. The first one is substitution method, the second one is the elimination method, the third one is cross multiplication method, which is also out of the syllabus this year, and the fourth is reducible form. Now pair of linear equation in two variables are consisting of a system, two system basically. The first one is consistent system and the second one is inconsistent system. A system of linear equation is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution, then it is called consistent, and if it has no solution it is called inconsistent. Now we have some conditions for consistency. If we have two equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 as well as a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, these are the simultaneous pair of linear equation in two variables. If a1 by a2, the ratio of a1 and a2 is not equal to the ratio of b1 by b2, that condition will give us a graph of intersecting lines. The number of solution in that case will be unique and it is the situation of consistent system. Now if the first two sets are equal, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then the graph will form the parallel lines. It will possess no solution and it is the situation of inconsistent system. And the third, if all three set of conditions are equal, then the graph will be coincident lines, that is overlapping each other. It will possess infinite number of solutions. It is the situation of consistent system. The first one is the intersecting lines, the second one is parallel, and the third one is coincident lines. So I hope all of you understand the basic concepts related to the pair of linear equation in two variable. A linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now in this chapter we have two linear equations simultaneously given. That is, a pair of linear equation in two variable is given and we have to solve that pair of linear equation to find out the solution either by the algebraic method or by the graphical method. We also need to solve some of the application problems. So first you just go through all the basics and then we will move on to the higher level. So first just go through the key points and read out some of the questions. Thank you.